Ukraine's drone army hitting and destroying any Russian equipment they can find. Russia's losses are staggering and unsustainable, losing everything from armored vehicles to air defense. But a common target for Ukraine's drone army is Russian fortified position and infantry, with each position and infantry being chased down and possibly hit multiple times until the target is neutralized. However, sometimes multiple soldiers are spotted together, letting a single drone to target more soldiers with little protection ability to stop the drone and poor training. Most of the soldiers hide with whatever they can find together instead of spreading out, letting a cluster of troops to be hit with one strike, leaving less